Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture, we discussed synthetic fertilizer versus organic or natural fertilizers, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is petroleum industry. Now let's discuss in details. Petroleum industry, my dear student, petroleum industry plays a vital role in modern life and industrial development. What is petroleum industry? My dear student, petroleum industry deals with the exploration, extraction, refining, and use of petroleum and its products. Stages of petroleum industry. First one, exploration, searching for petroleum reserves under the earth, use of geological surveys and modern techniques. Second one, extractions. In drilling, petroleum is extracted by drilling wells. Crude oil is brought to the surface. Third one, refining. Crude oil is purified in oil refineries. It is separated into different useful products. This process is called fractional distillation. Fourth one, distribution. Petroleum products are transported through pipelines, tankers, and trucks. Composition of petroleum. Petroleum mainly contain hydrocarbons like alkanes, cycloalkanes, small amounts of sulfur, nitrogen, and oxygen compounds. Products of petroleum. Petroleum is refined into many useful products. Petrol in gasoline, diesels, kerosenes, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, bitumen. Importance of petroleum industry. Provides fuel for transport and energy, raw material for petrochemical industries, supports economic development, produces plastics, synthetic fibers, chemicals. Environmental impact. Petroleum industry can cause air pollution, water pollution in oil spills, global warming. Proper management is necessary to reduce these effects. Summary of petroleum industry. Petroleum is a fossil fuel made up of hydrocarbons. Petroleum industry includes exploration, extraction, refining, and distribution. Produces fuels and many useful products, important for economy but has environmental impact. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on petroleum industry. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.